Hey guys, Dave here. I love pizza and I love casseroles, so I got to thinking, why not make a pizza casserole? Yes, my friends, pizza casserole with all the trimmings of a pizza in the form of a casserole, only without that crust. Believe me, it came out absolutely delicious, so let me show you how to do this. So the first thing you want to do is add some salt to a pot of boiling water. Add in a couple of cups of uncooked pasta. Now, I'm using rigatoni here, but you can, of course, use the pasta of your choice. I just like the shape. It looks kind of pizza-like. And we'll just let this cook away for about 10 minutes until it's al dente, and then strain and drain it. Then we'll grab up about a pound of lean ground beef and throw it into a pan over medium-high heat. And I'm using my old cast iron pan here. You don't have to use cast iron, but it does help when you put it in the oven, so just use an oven-proof pan. So we'll just kind of break this down and fry it up until it is cooked through. After about 7 or 8 minutes, our ground beef is looking pretty darn good. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw in half a chopped onion and 3 or 4 cloves of chopped garlic. And we'll just go ahead and stir and saute this for about 2 or 3 minutes until that onion becomes a little bit translucent and that smell of garlic just fills the air. And I say this in every video, there is nothing better than the smell of garlic and onion sauteing. Now in we go with about 400 milliliters of tomato sauce, and this is about a cup or so. Then half a cup of pizza sauce. Yes, the old pizza sauce you can buy in just about any grocery store. It's really cheap, and I should actually do a video of this. Drop a comment in the description section below if you'd like to see that. Followed by, you guessed it, about 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning because it is pizza. And after all, kind of Italian. Half a teaspoon or so of salt just to bring out those flavors. And another teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. Grab up your handy dandy wooden spoon or metal spoon, whatever you have on hand, and mix everything together until it's nicely combined. And this is looking and smelling good already, guys. Now we're just going to go ahead and let this wonderful, delicious sauce that I could probably eat right about now simmer away for about 10 minutes or so. After simmering away for about 10 minutes, it is time to go ahead and dump that pasta in. This is looking mighty good. Of course, you've got to grab up that spoon once again and fold everything together until that sauce completely covers the pasta. And of course, I'm going to kind of do the old tippity-tappity thing and fold this down a little bit just so it's kind of spread out evenly. Then on with a good layer of ooey, gooey, grated mozzarella. Yes, mozzarella, folks. And you can add as much of this stuff as you like. And if you can, try and get a good mozzarella, because I like pizza where you can actually taste the mozzarella. And you probably saw this one coming because now we are going on with some pepperoni. Yes, pepperoni, the topping of any pizza. And like I said with the mozzarella, get a good pepperoni if you can, because it makes all the difference in the world. So just kind of spread this out evenly. Next up, a handful of fresh mushrooms sprinkled over the top of that pepperoni and cheese. A combination of chopped red and green bell peppers. Now this is just my choice of toppings. I mean, it is entirely up to you. Be the boss of your own pizza casserole. Then some chopped black olives. You can also use green if you like. Or no olives at all. It's entirely up to you. And the last but not least of our toppings, some fresh basil. Yes, basil. I just love it, and it is so good on pizza. And by the way, guys, if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and give this video a like because it does really help. And we also have a video on baked spaghetti that I'll put a link to that is so good. So check that video out too. Okay, guys, this gorgeous piece of work is going into a 375 degree Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius preheated oven for about 25 minutes. After about 25 minutes or so, guys, we are done, and just look at this. Doesn't this look absolutely gorgeous? Okay, so let's go ahead and lift this up and just look at this. That ooey gooey goodness of the mozzarella, the toppings, that ground beef, the pasta. Oh my goodness, if this doesn't look like a pizza casserole, my friends, I don't know what does. And oddly enough, guys, I had to get 2 spoons going, and you bite into this. It is everything a pizza should be and more. Absolutely delicious. Simply a must make. And as I say in every video, if you're hungry for more, like and subscribe.